How much money would you like to save in the next 12 months? My name is Mia Mishdria, and I'm a serial entrepreneur who loves God and who loves helping people. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 ways to save more money. Let's hop straight into the video. Number one is to carpool. Riding with other people can save you money. Taking public transportation can save you money. I was reading a book about this millionaire, and you know what he did? He didn't even have a car. He was taking public transportation every day, and he was a millionaire in a time where in today's time, he'd probably be a billionaire. The guy had a lot of money, but he was not spending his money on gas. He wasn't paying on a car service. He didn't have a driver. He was very, very economical with his money. Number two is to bike or walk for small trips. If you have a bike, ride your bike. Look, I worked with a guy who rode his bike every day to work. Every day. Everybody's in a car. This guy's riding his bike to work, and he has a car, but he's not spending money. Having a car, you not only pay for the upkeep and the maintenance on the car, you have to pay for gas. You have to pay for so many things to keep the car running. You have to pay for your inspection sticker. You have to keep so many things up on a car. And so the less you spend on that is the more money you can have to invest in something that's going to generate a substantial income. So biking or walking, sometimes when I travel, I do the math. I think about it. I say, okay, let me think about when I'm going out of town. Is it going to be more economical for me to take an Uber, or is it better for me to get a rental car? Because if I know that I'm going to be in a city and I'm going to and I'm going to be at a convention at a hotel and I'm not going to need a rental car, if I have to go somewhere, I'll call and take an Uber, or I'll just walk. I have walked. I have been in downtown LA walking through the fashion district. It just makes more sense to save money in areas where you don't have to waste or blow your money. Reduce energy use. Turn off lights and things that you're not using. You know, burning electricity is a way to burn money. So make sure that if you're not in the room, turn the light off. Set up an automatic savings account. Transfer the money to your savings account instantly. Make sure you don't touch it. Money that you don't see, you may as well say that this is money that is not going to be touched. Use cashback apps. When you do decide to go to your fast food restaurant that you like to eat, whether it's Cava, Chipotle, a lot of those companies do have programs where when you do go, you can earn points and eventually get a free dinner. I use those all the time. When you go to the gas station, use the reward points that they offer at the gas station. Even if it's just 5 cents. Like if you're saving 5 cents a gallon, who doesn't want to save a little money? Like those small things can add up. That's more money you can be putting into your savings account. Refinance loans for a lower interest rate. This is a great way to save money. This is a great way to really be in a position to have more, is to refinance your loans for a lower interest rate. Negotiate bills. Whenever you go and get a service done, see if there's a way for you to get a lower payment. Any and everything matters when it comes to finances. If you can negotiate it, see if you can get a lower rate on your bills. DIY repairs. If there's something you can do around the house yourself, do it. Number 20 is my new, this is the one that I never really was crazy about, but at this point in life, I have finally adapted to it, and it's shop at thrift stores. Shopping at thrift stores is the greatest way to save so much money. I think about all of the money that I have spent on clothes and shoes that has just been wasted. Okay, the thrift store has things that are brand new. You can go to the thrift store and get brand new items. You have to look through everything to really find something, but it's worth it. The thrift store has dollar days, so many benefits. And you know, normally I would be like, oh, I'm not wearing that from the thrift store. But if you want to save money, thrift. I pray you guys found value in this video. Comment below and let me know how much money you want to save in the next 12 months. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.